Good day, sir. I am Erica Munyen Biroy, and I'm here to tackle about product and service design. Product design. Designing a new product goes through an analytical process and relies on a problem-solving approach to improve the quality of life of the end user and his or her interaction with the environment. It is about problem-solving, about visualizing the needs of the user and bringing a solution. Product designers also work with other professionals such as engineers and marketers. While not in charge of designing the purely mechanical and technological aspects of the product, they are however concerned with usability. Here are some examples of product design. Angle post lamp, Tupperware, ballpoint pen, Coca-Cola bottles, paranoid camera, and also iPhone. Product design has many fields of application. They are medical devices, tableware, jewelry, sports and leisure, food preservation, presentation, and also furniture. It takes into consideration also the production cost, the manufacturing processes, and the regulations. Product design process. The design process is divided into many different phases, which include various forms of sketching and prototyping. However, sometimes the idea starts from a problem people may experience and designing a solution to solve it. It is about establishing a link between the user and the environment using an object to address a need. Product designers, they give life to their ideas through sketching and drawing. They can also use 3D and computer-aided industrial design software. Also, to fully experience and test the item they invention. Designers will craft prototypes. Types of product design. They all play an integral role in the entire user experience because they all serve a different purpose. Let's walk through an example. Design starts with a problem. For our example, let's say the problem you have is hunger. In our example, the solution you decided to hire to solve your problem is to buy groceries from a grocery store. There are other obvious and not so obvious competitors you can hire to solve your problem. They include food delivery, restaurants, convenience stores, food trucks, vending machines, protein shakes, and also gaming. Competition is often something a designer has to consider because you have to create unique value with your solution. There are 3 core types of design when it comes to a product design. For our example, let's use grocery stores as your solution. The first one is system design. It's one of a number of systematic solutions based on the currently for good concepts. This approach adds value by allowing the user to choose from a wide range of items, but it comes at a cost because it requires the user to plan, gather, and cook their own food. The second one is process design. The transaction in which you trade your money for things is one of these operations. If you break out the procedure here, the store should keep track of what you're buying and bill you accordingly. Several examples of this procedure may be found in most modern grocery stores. And the third one is interface design. This is interface design for a user to interact with even a grocery store. There is an interface for totaling your products and pricing whether you are in an assisted checkout line or a self-checkout line. Service design is concerned with the design of services and making them better suit the needs of the service user and customers. For example, airline check-ins, comprehensive branding system, shipping processes, and also customer service system. Components of service design. In user experience design, multiple components must be designed: visuals, features and commands, copywriting, information architecture, and more. Not only should each component must be designed correctly, but they also must be integrated to create a total user experience. Service design follows the same basic idea. There are several components, each one should be designed correctly, and all of them should be integrated. The three main components of service design are: the first one is people. This component includes anyone who creates or uses the service, as well as the individuals who may be indirectly affected by the service. Examples include employees, customers, fellow customers encountered throughout the service, and also partners. The second one is props. This component refers to the physical or digital artifacts, including products, that are needed to perform the service successfully. Examples include web page, blogs, social media, and also physical products. The third one is processes. These are any workflows, procedures, or rituals performed by either the employee or the user throughout a service. Examples include withdrawing money from an ATM, getting an issue resolved over support, interviewing a new employee, and also sharing a file. Returning to the restaurant example, people will be farmers growing the produce, restaurants managers, chefs, hosts, and servers. Props would include, among others, the kitchen, ingredients, POS software, and uniforms. Processes would include employees, clocking in, server entering orders, cleaning dishes, and storing food. And that's all. Thank you, and God bless.